Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And today we're taking a look at a product from a company called Haylou. So Haylou are a company that prioritize mainly in sort of smart tech, so headphones, smartwatches, things of that sort of nature. And they've actually sent out a set of their GT3 earbuds for review. So what we'll do is take a quick look at, we'll do a quick unboxing, take a look at what you get in the pack, and then I'll just give you my thoughts on the actual product itself. Now, even though I've repackaged this, I have actually had it unboxed, I've had it set up on my iPhone, and I've tested it for a little while. So firstly, when you open the box, you do get the actual earbuds themselves. So they come in a small pill shaped case, and once you actually open it, originally you will have a little bit of tape on the pins on each one of the actual earbuds themselves. So they are the stem type. Now Haylou, if you have a look on their website, I'll have everything linked down below. If you have a look on their website, they do have stemless earbuds as well. These particular ones are with the actual stem themselves. I actually prefer the ones with the stem personally. I don't like the stemless type design myself. I find that they're more awkward to actually put in, whereas when you actually have a stem, you can actually hold it and put them in quite easily. So personally, I actually prefer these types. As you can see just there, you do have a little red LED on each, well, a LED, and it will obviously change color depending on what the mode is. And just on the front of the case there, you might be able to see 3 little LEDs. If I just open up the case and close it again, you'll see them flash. That's just giving you the indication of what charge you actually have in there. A little bit of subtle branding on the front, you might be able to see it just there. Nothing over the top. So we do get some spare ear tips. The ones that are actually on there are perfectly fine for me, but obviously it looks like you will also get some smaller and some bigger ones as well. So obviously the ear tips on these types of earbuds are important because that's what essentially gives you your fitment, it gives you your seal, and that will obviously improve your audio quality as well. Alongside that, we do have a Type-C, USB Type-C cable, and this does have, if I try not to drop it, on the back just there, it does have USB Type-C. And other than that, you literally just get a simple user manual. Now, when I did actually set these up, initially only one earbud actually paired. You can actually do a very simple reset. The reset is simply to put them back in the case, and if you need to, just hold the actual top section, so the actual touch sensitive section, hold both of those, and that'll actually reset all of the earbuds in the case and get them all to sync up again. In my case, all I needed to actually do was just put them back into the case for a couple of seconds, let them actually start charging, then I took them back out again, and at that point they were fine. Now when I actually connect this to my phone, it does give me a battery percentage, and unlike a lot of them which tend to be fake, this one does look like it might actually be accurate, because originally when I connected them, they did show 80%. After doing my testing and putting them back in the case and taking them out for a second time, they did actually show something like, I believe it was 83% or something like that. So it's good that the actual percentage that you get on your battery bar on iOS does appear to actually be working. Now, in terms of sound quality, these aren't like most sort of Bluetooth headphones on the market, where most of them tend to go very bass heavy. These are actually quite the opposite, where the clarity seems to have been more important for them, and even taking it all the way to max volume, the audio, the sound that you're getting from them is very clear. I wouldn't say they lack bass, but they're not bass crazy or bass heavy as a lot of them tend to be. And for me personally, I don't personally like it when they go too bass heavy and it ends up distorting on your high volumes basically. In terms of volume output, they're not the loudest, but obviously I'm used to AirPods Max and over-ear headphones, so obviously based on that, I'd say they're probably about average. They're probably about where you normally get Bluetooth earbuds essentially. Pairing very easily, you just literally just take them out, put them into your ears, and you'll hear a little beep. You connect it through Bluetooth and it works perfectly fine. I haven't actually tested this with any other devices like Apple TV or anything like that, so I may do some more testing with that, but on the iPhone it's been perfectly fine. Every single time I've taken them out the case and played something on my iPhone, instantly they've actually connected and started playing perfectly fine. The controls are slightly different, so unlike a lot of the if I just show you there, unlike a lot of the sort of Bluetooth headphones, these ones don't appear to have anything for volume itself, so there's no volume adjustment on the earbuds themselves, so it's mainly just skip forward, skip back, pause, play, and activate the smart assistant. In the settings on iOS, it doesn't really give us any additional options. It literally just gives you the option to name the device and choose what type of device it is, so be it car attachment, Bluetooth, just a single Bluetooth headphone, or actual earbuds. So limited in that sense, but I wouldn't really expect anything different from Bluetooth earbuds in iOS. They don't, as far as I'm aware, they don't really have a smart app or anything that you can download and use it to customize the earbuds any further. They are Bluetooth 5.0. It is an indicated 24-hour battery life, as well as that you do have master and slave. So essentially the pairing method, you only pair to one, you don't need to pair to both earbuds individually. Throughout my testing so far, battery life has been perfectly fine. Generally with these sort of small wireless earbuds, you're generally going to get around about a day's worth of sort of usage, originally through the earbuds themselves, and then obviously once you've actually thrown them back into the case. Now, I haven't actually done any intensive testing where I've literally drained them flat and then basically charged them back up again, so I can't tell you exactly how long it would take to actually fully charge, but under my normal usage, so how I would normally use these kind of products, where I'll use it for a bit, throw them back in the case, this case is easily small enough to just pop in your pocket and take with you quite easily. So yeah, under that, I've never ran into the situation where I've taken them out and they've not been charged. And so far, although I did do a full charge on the case, I've not needed to recharge the case since then. Obviously for this video, I've basically given it a full charge again. So if I just pop that open and close it, you'll see the 3 lights just flash up there, showing that the case itself is fully charged. If you are looking for third-party earbuds, I will leave all the links in the description below. So yeah, once again, to Haylou, thank you very much for sending these out. If you do have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel. Also, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new videos that I do post. And other than that, thanks very much for watching.